morning, friends. Happy Thursday. Let's do our number corner for today. All right, today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. And we have a yellow card. So I'll grab my yellow marker, my yellow pen. And it says we start on 46 and go down, down, down. All right, it says we start, turn my light up. There we go. We go to 46 and we go down, down, down. 46, down, down, down. Brings us right to 76. Now, if we went down from 46 to 56, how many did we go down? Now, we only jumped one, but how many numbers are in between 46 and 56? 10, right. So from 46 to 56, it's 10. From 56 to 66, it's 10 more. And from 66 to 76, it's 10 more. So we add 10, 20, 30 to get to 76. All right, today is May 14th. We started on 46 and we went down, down, down. So our equation, like we talked about, would be 46 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, and that equals 76. And that is where we end on 76. Yesterday we had 160 days in school. I wonder what today will be if we add one more day in school. So if we add 160, what comes after 160? 161, right. So it's 161 days in school today. (161 days). Written form, 161 days. There we go. Hundreds, tens, and ones. How many hundreds do we have? We have 100 plus 6 tens plus 1 1. That's funny. And that equals, we won't put that in the equation, we'll just leave that. Expanded form, we have 100 plus how many tens? 6 tens, which equals 60, plus how many ones? 1, and that equals 161. Fantastic. All right, let's add one more quarter to our quarters. How many quarters do we have now? We have 4 quarters. Let's count it. 25, 50, 75, $1. So we can transfer all of these out and bring in $1. Because how many quarters make up $1? 4. Very good. Here's our schedule for today. Scholastic Book Flicks, just like you did on Tuesday. Watch Writing, lesson 6. I don't know where I got 4 from. Lesson 6, page 15 and 16 of your math packet. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. And remember your optional activities for art, music, and PE. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Thursday. And keep learning, keep safe, and hopefully see you guys soon on here. Bye!